Standard 2nd. Subject English. Chapter 8. Word Basket. Hi children. Today we are going to revise some three-letter words that we have learnt in first standard. Let's see the picture and tell its name. Bat, bat. Cat, cat. Cap, cap. Tap, tap. Bag, bag. Children, do you remember any such three-letter words?
Yes, ma'am. Hen, pen, sun, ant, fan, mat.
Now let's do another activity. You have to see the picture and match it with the given words.
Cat, tap, bat, cap.
Now let's match the same words. There are some words written on the basket and some are written on the oranges. Let's match the similar words.
Can, can. Sat, sat. Mat, mat. Hat, hat. Man, man. Pan, pan. Bag, bag. Jam, jam. Sad, sad. Has, has. Rat, rat. Had, had.
Well done. These are all A sounds words. Its sound is A. Our next activity will help you to learn more words that has A sound in them.
Hi, cat. What is that? It is a mat.
The fat cat sat on a mat. Here, as you can see, each word has A sound in it. Let's read them. Cat, at. Fat, at. Mat, at. Sat, at. Let's see the next picture.
Hi, rat. What is that? It is a bat.
A rat has a bat. The bat is in a bag. Now let's read them. Rat, at. Bat, at. Bag, bag. Has, ass. Let's see the next picture.
Hi, Sam. What is that? It is jam.
Sam has jam in the can. Let's read the words. Has, ass. Jam, jam. Can, can. Remember children, sounds help you to form words. So you should learn sounds in each word properly.